Alright guys, and welcome to Amazing Creative Studio. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a fancy text to image, how you can create your name with a text image using Ideogram. If you are finding it difficult to create, or you are seeing trending videos or images with text to image, seeing their names written in text with a fancy text, you have been wondering how you can create such images with text. So in this video, that is what I'll be showing you, how you can create your name with text images in a fancy manner, just the way you have, just the one you have been seeing on Facebook, the one you have been seeing on Instagram, and the one you have been seeing on your WhatsApp status. So if this is your first time watching my videos, you can simply subscribe to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, I show people and train people how they can create graphics design and how they can create video editing, and I also teach people how they make money online. So please subscribe, like my videos, and comment. Thank you. So just go to ideogram.ai. Ideogram.ai. Just then what you need to do from here is to, if you are already a registered member, just click on login. Just click on login. Okay, click on login. So now login with your email address, with your registered email address. So don't why the interface load for us. So guys, these are the trending designs that people have done recently. These are the trending design. You can actually create a design with your name like this one. You can actually create a design with your name like this one. You can also create a design with your name also and put your name here. These are the trending design. Let's check the recent design that people have just done recently, maybe some minutes ago or some hours ago. So you can see these are the recent designs. You can see these are the recent designs. These are the recent designs. All these are the recent designs that are done by people. You can see a minute ago. 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 So you actually create a fancy text to image. You can actually use image and write your name in their front and their chest. You can see this steady. You can actually create your name with this steady. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Just click any of this template that you just desire to use. Click on any of the templates that you just wish. Let me look for a decent one. Let me scroll up. Okay, let me use the trending one. Let me go to the trending tab. Trending. Okay. Okay, let me use this as an example. Let me use this template as an example. So just click on the template. Once you click on the template, you can see what you need to do from here to get this kind of design is to click on the remix. Just click on the remix. So what you need to do is here, they said Mera in elegant pink, typography with a metallic butterfly and flowers with crown on top with a beautiful diamond, small metallic pink and lavender art on the sides. So what you just have to do from here is just to change the name, the text, the name, and change it to your own name, to your name. And change it to your name, like Amazing Creative Studio. Like Amazing Creative Studio. Consider I just enter my brand name. Okay, so now let me click on generate. You don't need to delete any of the remaining, just change the name with your own name. Just replace the name with your name. Once you have clicked on the generate, it will generate 4 different designs for you so that you can have an option to choose one out of the 4, and you can possibly choose all the 4 if you are interested in them. So let's go down and see what it's going to give us. So as you can see, this is Amazing Studio. amazing. As you can see beautiful design. You can see, okay, let me dismiss and do another one. Okay, let me choose this design. Then click on remix. Then change the Rosalie with your name. Amazing. Then click on generate. And let's see what is going to show us. Just let's hold on and see what is going to show us. And if you are not interested on the result, you can actually generate another one by clicking on the remix again. So you can see beautiful designs. You can even add your name. Assuming your name is, let me look for another design. Okay, let me use this design. Click on remix, then change the name. Change the name and I write Sunday. Assuming your name is Sunday, just put Sunday and click on generate. And let's see the design is going to give us. Let's hold on and wait to see the results. Let's hold on. Remember, now finally, this is the final result. You can see that the designs are amazing. And if you want to download them, just click on them. This result, this design, just click on this three dotted line from here. Just click on this three dotted line from here. Then click on the download image. Click on the download image to download the image. That's how you can download the image. But if you are using a desktop view, so I will show you how you can download it with a desktop view. So just click on this download button. This is a download icon. So just click on it to download your design. That is how you can download it from a desktop view. So guys, let's just try one more designs before we go ahead. Let me go back to my mobile view because I'm using a mobile phone to create this video. So let me do another design. Let's click another design. So let's look for another design that we can use. Happy birthday. Assuming you want to create an happy birthday design for your client or for your family, you can use this design or check for another design that suits your style. So remember that this is what we just used. So you can also use an image and create a text with the image, so that maybe you are having a relative can just write their name on the image. So it is amazing and lovely. So let's look for another design that we can use. Let be okay. Let's look for another one. Okay, now let's use this Fiki. Let's use this Fiki. So just click on the remix, then change the Fiki name to your name, Sunday, and click on generate. If you don't like the color, you can actually change the background design by writing your own design. I will show you how you can do that also. As you can see, this is Sunday. As you can see, and if actually you don't like this design, you can you can create another one. Let's do remix. You can actually change the color, crochet hook. You can say you can change this like this is, or you can change the scissors to take home. And let's see what is going to give us as a result. Let's see what is going to give us as a result. Okay. So guys, it is very simple to create your text to image. So just pick any template from here and change the text to your name. Then you click on generate. That is how it is. So alright guys, you can see that the scissors has been removed. You can see that the scissors has been removed. And if actually what you ask for is not what you are seeing, you can actually change it to suit your style. So guys, that is how we create text to image. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I love you.